Good morning, Nan.
Yeah, sir. Good morning, sir. I have heard so many things about you, but it is first time that I get opportunity to connect with you. Okay.
Okay,
You know, Asif sir is very famous in English, Yari.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
So, this is the first time we are having this session together. So, Mr. Nan, do you want to talk about the topic given by the English site, or do you want to talk about something else?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Why not? I am ready to talk about the topic which has been given by English, Yari.
Okay, so topic for today's discussion is aliens.
Okay.
Okay, so let me start this topic with a brief introduction. Okay, yeah, there are so many creatures on this planet, like humans, animals, and sea creatures, etc. But there is one creature which is hidden from all of us, and scientists
Mm.
have been trying to discover uh, this creature. It is called as aliens, and many movies, as science fiction movies, have been made on this subject as well. But no one knows whether aliens exist or not. So today we are going to discuss this topic in a great detail. Okay, so shall we start?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, whenever the word alien is spoken, what image comes to your mind?
Okay. So whenever I hear about the word of alien, that times I think that alien is something that is very different from us, and I think they belong to another earth or another planet. They don't belong to earth. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so could you tell me, according to your imagination, how will be their look, how will be their appearance and body, etc.?
Actually, it is very hard to say, but actually, I have watched PK movies. So in these movies, the alien has been shown. So that's why I can imagine that alien has some much more bigger eyes, ears, or nose or mouth than us,
Okay,
right?
okay,
Yeah, and
okay,
I think they have their own language, they have their own style of living. Yeah, as I imagine, but I am not sure that whether alien is there or not.
okay, yeah. No one knows whether they exist or not. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Do you think aliens have more intelligence than humans?
Yeah, maybe I imagine that they belong to they belong to another planet. So in this way, perhaps they have much more talent, they have much more ideas than us, right? That's
Okay.
why they are able to fly, they are able to run, they are able to be invisible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Nan, um, we have a solar system where earlier there were 8 planets. Okay, but recently the planet Pluto has been removed from the list of planets. So, do you think aliens live within our solar system or outside our solar system?
As I think that they belong to other solar system. Okay, otherwise, till now the would have uh, scientists would have
Discovered.
invented about the alien. Okay, but now still now the scientists are not sure that where do the aliens belong.
Okay.
That's why.
Yeah. So you think they
Yeah.
don't live within our solar system, they live
Yeah.
outside our solar system. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, Mr. Nain, let's talk about a hypothetical situation. For example, if you get a chance to meet an alien, would you like to meet him?
No, obviously not. Why should I beat him?
Okay.
Actually, I think that I don't know that he is wrong or right. So why should I beat him? First of all, I should try to talk with him. If he is not able to talk with me, then I should use some symbol or sign. And even that he is not able to recognize me, then it's no issue. But yeah, if they try to harm us, then I don't know what will I do. But generally I'm not going to beat him.
Okay. You are not going to meet any aliens in your life. Okay. Suppose scientists have discovered some of the aliens which are very similar to humans. They resemble human
Hmm.
beings. They can speak.
Hmm.
They have the same body structure like us. Okay. And they are
Okay.
normal. Okay. There is no wrong in it. So, would you like to meet an alien and have conversation in the English language? And suppose they understand English.
Actually, not only English language. If I would be able to capable with, if I would be able to communicate with them, then I am sure that I will be so eager to talk with them. Okay, and first of all, I will try to ask them that means where do you belong to? Means how have you come from? Okay, and what would you like to eat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Many movies have been made on this subject, aliens, and in each movie, the director of the movie has tried to show aliens very positive. Okay, no one has shown aliens negative. I'm talking about Indian movies, but as far as
Yeah.
Hollywood is concerned, many aliens have been shown in a very negative form. They will come to the earth planet and they will destroy
Mm,
all of us, and they will invade us, and they will take charge
mm.
of the planet. So what do you think? Do you think they are positive or negative?
Actually, in this matter, I am not sure, but as our movies show,
Mm-hmm.
that I think they are the positive person. Okay, they will not harm anyone. Okay,
Okay.
but I am not sure. But
Mm-hmm.
maybe actually we are not sure. That's why it may be that the alien would be a negative person
Okay.
for human being.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so in this way they may harm us. Okay, and they are more stronger than us, as I think. Then we won't be able to protect ourselves from them.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, then it would be very difficult for us.
Okay. Uh, suppose aliens are trying to come on this planet, and many scientists they give the signal to the entire world. Now there is gonna be a
Mm.
war between humans and aliens. So who do you think will win the war?
Yeah, of course the alien win.
Okay. How so?
you know because is that they have some extra power. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's why they have come from the another earth,
Mm-hmm.
another planet,
Mm-hmm.
right? So I think they have some extra power, superpower. So that's why I think we can't fight with them.
Okay, but don't you think
Hmm.
if all the countries of the world get united, so we also
Hmm.
have more technology,
Hmm.
more nuclear power,
Hmm.
okay, nuclear bombs,
Hmm.
we can also destroy them and win the war. Can't you think in this way?
Yeah, even though I think that we can't fight with them. Okay, so what will happen if we become unite? Okay, I think if even a single alien comes in Earth, then I don't think so that our scientists will fight with them and they will be capable to fight with them.
Okay, okay, no problem at all.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Nen, what kind of uh, uh, traveling, what kind of travels will they use to come on the planet? Like ship or any other like plane like that? What kind of things they will use to come to the Earth, according to you?
I think they don't use any source to travel anywhere. Okay,
Hmm.
I think they are enough their self to go anywhere. Okay, like Shaktiman or Junior G. Yeah.
Okay. Now, Mr. Nen, I'm coming to another question, but it is also related to aliens. Okay. A few months ago, I watched a video in which a robot, her name was Sophia. She was a she robot. Okay. So her name was
Mm,
Sophia. She could speak a language like humans. She could show facial expressions like humans, and she
mm,
could have movements like humans. And she also
mm,
came to India. I think in Hyderabad. She came to Hyderabad and she
mm,
delivered a speech over there.
mm,
So
mm,
but now she has been turned off because many scientists believe if we develop this kind of intelligence, okay, robots, so one day they will take charge of this Earth planet and they will destroy all of us
mm.
and they will invade the Earth. So, what do you think in this regard?
Yeah, yeah, I think they are right. You know, if now it's okay, they are doing properly, but what if in future they will not work properly,
Mm-hmm.
right? They will lost their mind. They will start harming each to each other or us.
Mm-hmm.
Then I think it would be very big problem for us. That's why I think it may happen.